Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Me and Walter just got back in. So, I know I wasn't cooking today. So I got me some B-dubs. Walter got him some Wendy's. Let me take this off so you can see his burger. Here's Walter's burger. He's got through putting a whole bunch of stuff. I ain't putting nothing on here yet. You ain't putting nothing on there? All them seasonings?
I gotta help it. This is just my lunch or brunch.
Okay. Well, that's what he wanted. Wendy's.
Right.
Still shaking. What else you gonna put on there? Yeah, I'm messing with you.
I wish you.
So he's putting pepper, salt, and everything on top of the cheese. Ew. Okay, this is what I got. I got the mango habanero. I can eat off of these maybe 3 times. Not that. I can eat off both of these 3 times. And this is the honey barbecue. And I got all flats. Okay? So. Okay, I was getting ready to go, but I got a little bit of chit chat while we were waiting in B-dubs. You know, they take forever to get your wings ready. Well, we came out, we got our order, we came out, we was in the car getting ready to go. And we saw this man and the woman come out of B-dubs together. Okay? And I looked at them strange because usually people got a little doggy bag or something. So, I didn't think nothing else of it. So the woman went one way when she got out the door and the man went the other way. He got in his car, she got in her car. So, we saw some cheating people. And then where else was that we saw them cheating people? We went somewhere else. We saw a woman get out the car and get in another car. Oh, that's when we was in the Wendy's parking lot. And I remember years and years and years ago, I was in Hawaii. I went with my mother and father and my sister. We in Hawaii. And the people, okay, in the hotel, we stayed at Queen Lulukalani Hotel. And the people across the hall from our room, they kept making so much noise and running in and out the door and from one room to the next. So it was men cheating on their wives. So I got a good look at the men, got a good look at the women, the young women they were with. So I gets back home. I lived in Morgan Park at the time. I go to the bowling alley. I think me and Walter went together. This bowling alley that was in the neighborhood. And who did I see? This old man who runs the bowling alley. And his old wife, she was right beside him. And that wasn't the lady he went to Hawaii with. Okay, watch what y'all do, okay? Because somebody gonna see you. And he looked in my face and I looked in his face. And busted. Okay. Let me go. Because I done ran out. So, thanks for watching this little short chit-chat snippet. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to have to get ready to take all my jewelry off again for this procedure I'm going to have tomorrow. I already took my bracelets off. Somebody asked me, where are your bracelets? Well, they don't allow bracelets when you're having an MRI and all that kind of stuff. So I just put my earrings back on and the necklace. But it's hard taking this necklace off, trying to get this clasp opened. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Bon appetit. Bye.